David.
Hey, Robin.
Hey there.
It's Nick. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. And Mr. Tommy make it home from work?
He did.
Good. Is he around?
I'm here.
What's up, Tommy?
Oh, not a lot.
Good. I had a good conversation with Miss Robin earlier. I look forward to speaking with you guys this evening.
Okay.
I'm going to, Miss Robin, I'm going to shoot you that email I was talking about earlier today. So just to confirm, is that right?
That's correct.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and send you that email. Let me know when you get it.
Okay. There it is.
Good. So what it says it has is just my state of Georgia insurance license. That's in the PDF. Just want to make sure you have that for your records. At the bottom of the email where my signature would be, it says Nick Burns, Senior Field Underwriter. Do you see that?
I do.
All right. If you scroll down just a little bit, it has my office address of 204 South Lewis Street, LaGrange, Georgia. Do you see that?
I do.
That's where I'm at right now. Right above that, Robin, there's a link. It says https whereby.com Nick Burns. Do me a favor and click on that.
Okay.
It's going to ask you to put in your name, Robin. You don't have to put in your name. Just press continue.
Okay.
Then the next thing it's going to say request permissions. Go ahead and click on that. I want you to see who I am.
Okay.
Then it's probably going to ask you about allowing or continue. Press allow or continue.
Okay.
And then the last thing will say knock, like you're knocking on a door.
Okay.
There you are. Hey.
Hey.
Can you see me?
I do see you.
Technology's a crazy thing, isn't it?
It is.
I've been doing this a long time. Matter of fact, last month was 18 years, and I'm used to being face to face and being in people's homes. And but with technology now, I'm actually in your home without being in your home. You know?
There you go.
Yeah. I'll be honest with you. It was tough initially, just the kind of the learning curve and getting through it. But we're able to see so many more people now, and it just makes more sense to do it this way.
Oh yeah, especially with everything going on, sure.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Tommy, what do you do for a living? Welder? How long you been doing that?
Going on about 30 years, I think.
Okay, it's a long time. What about you, Miss Robin?
I drive a school bus.
Okay, you probably do it for the benefits, don't you?
We do.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely not for the money.
What school system are you working with?
Douglas County.
Okay. They got some good athletic programs in Douglas County.
They do. That's some real good ones. Yeah.
Is that Japanese steakhouse Tokyo? Is it still really good up there? We used to go up there and eat all the time in Douglasville.
It is.
Is it?
But now they have a place called Gumbo's that's even better.
Gumbos?
Yeah, it's like Cajun food. It's amazing.
Okay. Now, how long y'all been married?
33 years.
That's a long time. You got me. I've only been married for 16.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
We got you. We about doubled you.
Y'all got any kids?
We have two. We have a son who'll be 31 this month, and our daughter's 28.
31 and 28. Okay. All right.
Got 4 little grandboys.
Four. Are they all grandboys, you said?
All boys.
Oh, all boys. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. How old are they?
5, 3, 16 months, and 1.
Oh, they're little.
Little.
I bet Christmas time is really going to be fun this year.
Oh, yeah, it's real fun.
Yeah.
It was big fun last year. This year will be even better.
Yeah, mine are growing up. They're kind of getting on cruise control. We got 5. So, yeah, so from 23, 14, 11, and my twins are 8. So, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you're hopping.
Absolutely. It flies by, though, as you guys know. Yeah. Well, look, what I'm going to do today, Robin and Tommy, is I'm just going to gather some information. Okay, I'm going to talk to you like I'm talking to family. I'm going to gather some information because my number one goal is to get you guys approved. That's my number one goal, is to get you guys approved. The second piece of that is it's just got to make sense, right? At the end of the day, it's just got to make sense. We want to protect your mortgage, but at the end of the day, it's just got to make sense to do that, right? All right. So just to confirm, I got the mortgage balance of $150,000. Does that sound right?
That's about right.
Now, was this a refinance or was this it's a new home?
It was a refi.
Okay, did y'all go 20 or 30 years on it?
We went 30.
30? Okay, I don't blame you. Cheaper payment. Interest rates are really good right now. Most of the people we deal with are do refis. Now, when they did a refi, when y'all did your refi, did you happen to do an appraisal, or do you know what the house is worth right now?
It's worth about at 300.
300? Okay, wow. So right now, if you put it on the market and sold it for 300 grand, you got $150,000 of equity in the house.
Right.
Robin and Tommy, if you don't hear anything else the rest of this conversation, make sure you understand me on this. That is the main thing that we want to protect, is the equity. Okay? Because you got as much equity in the house as you even owe in the house. All right? So that's the main thing we want to protect. What's your monthly payments go to after you refi? Taxes and insurance and all.
$806.
806. Okay, 806. So if I do some quick math, at 806 times 12, it costs y'all about $9,700 a year to pay the house payment. So basically, it costs about $10,000 a year to make the house payment. Does that sound right?
About right.
Good deal. All right, Tommy, what's your date of birth, brother?
10/20/60.
You got one coming up.
Yeah.
Be 61.
Yeah.
What about you, Miss Robin?
May the 14th, 1965.
Just turned 56 in May. Well, y'all both look great. How's your health?
We're pretty healthy, you know.
Okay.
I'm a little vertically challenged, but other than that, we're pretty healthy. Both of us take high blood pressure medicine. You take cholesterol medicine, don't you?
Yeah. Like 5 milligrams.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So both of you. So Tommy, you take 1 or 2 blood pressure medications?
Just one.
Just one.
5 milligrams.
And then just 1 cholesterol medication?
Yeah.
Okay. That's it?
Heartburn medication, but over the counter.
Okay. Good deal. So no diabetes, no kind of heart surgeries or anything like that. Okay. Tommy, you smoke or chew tobacco or anything like that?
No.
Okay. Good deal. Good for you. Good for you. Now, Miss Robin, you were telling me you do take 1 blood pressure medication, right?
Just one.
One.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Yeah. I take potassium.
Okay.
And then, what else do I take? I'll take a heartburn pill. And then I have 2 Becon pills.
I hear you. I don't blame you. My wife takes one every day.
Yeah.
I tried to take it before.
Yeah.
But no kind of major depression, no kind of hospitalizations for it or anything like that?
Oh, no.
Okay, good. Now, you don't smoke or anything like that, do you?
No.
Okay, good. You guys are in good shape.
Well, yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, you're in good shape.
I know you hear people our age and they've got all kinds of stuff wrong. So
Yeah.
I just went on blood pressure medicine probably 6 months ago. No, it's longer than that, about a year ago.
I see it every day. You'd be so surprised to see the medications that people take, and you guys are blessed for sure. Now, Tommy, I know you're still working, and I know Robin's got some benefits with the school system. Do y'all have any life insurance on the job right now?
On the job, I think I got like $50,000 just on me.
Okay, not on her. Okay. Do you have any on the job, Robin?
About 50,000.
About 50 as well. All right. If they ever offer it to you on the job, get it and get as much of it as you can. It's as cheap as it's going to be if they offer it to you, okay? But make no mistake about it. 9 times out of 10, when you leave that job, whether you retire from it or you go to another job, guess what's going to happen to that coverage?
Probably gone.
It's gone. Yeah, it's gone. The other 1 time out of 10 that you can take it is crazy expensive because you're up under a group package. So get as much of it as you can on the job. Now, do y'all have anything outside of that? Any private insurance that you're paying on?
No.
Okay. All right. Well, based on what you guys are telling me, I feel like you would get in our top tier from an approval standpoint. So that's a good thing. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to figure out what would make the most sense, and we'll go from there. Okay.
All right.
It's good. We work with so many different companies, and what I love about that is we can give you the best rate. We represent about 15 different companies right now. All right, so what I did, Robin and Tommy, was I figured up 3 different plans. At you guys' age, I at least like to show what the full mortgage payoff would be. What that means is, in case something were to happen to either one of you, the spouse, the surviving spouse, would at least have a house that's fully paid for. All right, but at the end of the day, guys, it's got to make sense. The way I look at coverage is, I don't want you to have to worry about paying it on a monthly basis. It's where you pay it and don't even think about it. The main thing is we want you to have a peace of mind knowing that the spouse is going to have some funds to live off of to at least take care of the mortgage. Because again, like I said, the main thing we want to protect is that $150,000 worth of equity. So for example, if you go with a lower amount, and I'm going to show you all 3 options, but if you go with a lower amount, it gives the surviving spouse time to decide on what they're going to do with the home. Last thing you want to do is when one of you passes away, you've been married 33 years. Last thing you want to do is to be making financial decisions very quick when one of you passes away. So at least one of these will give you the option to give you time to decide on what you're going to do with the house. Okay. So what I did was I did a $75,000 plan. I did a $100,000 plan. And then I did the full mortgage payoff. I always like to at least give the option of the full mortgage payoff. All right. So I did a $75,000 plan on each of you. Okay, that way you both have your own separate policy. A lot of companies like to put you in on one policy, and it's called like a first to die policy, and then the other one's left without any coverage. I like to give you your both policy. Okay, so Robin, what I did on you, I did a $75,000 plan. It's only $87.01 a month. That's it, $87.01. Tommy, on you, I did a $75,000 plan. It's only $129.48. That's it. Yep. So combined, you're looking at right at $217 a month for both of you. Okay. Now I did the next option, which is $100K. It's $115.33 on you, Robin, and only $170.89 on you, Tommy. So $115.33 on you, Robin, and $170.89 on you, Tommy. And then I did the full mortgage payoff, okay? It's $170.36 on you, Robin, $170.36, and then $253.71 on you, okay? Now, you guys know your budget a whole lot better than I do. The main thing is getting you something in place to protect that mortgage.
Right. So if we wanted to go with more on me and less on her, I could do like 100, she could do 75.
Absolutely. So the 100 on you will be 170, and then the 75 on her is only 87. So you're looking at 257 combined a month.
That's good.
All right, sounds good. All right, well, let's get you guys approved.
What we need to do?
What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the application here. It's a very simple process, and what I mean by that is I would literally take the application right here on my phone. I'm going to get all your information. I'm going to stay on the phone with you, video, and then I'm going to email it to you, and you'll sign it. It's an e-signature, okay? You'll e-sign it, and then we'll send it to the company for approval. 7 out of the 10 I do, they get approved within 10 minutes after I submit it. The other 3 out of 10, it takes 3 to 5 business days. So they're all simplified issue plans. So you don't have to worry about nobody coming to your house, checking your blood pressure, doing anything like that. So let's
What's
get...
the company name?
This company's called Forsters Financial. I'm going to go with Miss Robin first and go ahead and get her approved, and then we'll go you, Tommy.
Okay.
So, guys, you notice that when they decided on which one they wanted to do, there was no hesitation. I didn't, he said, can we do one on one, one on the other? I was like, yeah. He said, we'll do 100 on me and 75. I didn't ask again, were they sure? I just said, okay, let's go ahead and get you guys approved. So he told me he wanted to buy. So that's why I said, all right, let's go ahead and get you approved. That's why I went immediately into doing the application on her. And then he would start asking, what's the name of the company? He's asking questions, but I'm not stopping. And I'm just going to continuously doing the application on her. All right. So another keynote is when I showed them the figures. I always do 3 options. When I showed them the figures, I didn't say a word. I listened to them because Robin looked at Tommy and she said, "Which one do you think we need to go with?" And they started conversing. I didn't want to interject, or say anything. I just wanted to sit back, let them decide on which one was best for them and their budget. They were giving me a buying signal by looking at each other, saying, which one can we afford? So go through the application process. You'll do it all on your phone, or you can do it on your screen. A lot of agents like to screen share it with the applicant. I personally just do it on my phone. And I keep on video and I talk to them the whole time while I'm taking the application. All right, so it's just a very simple process. It's just what we do with virtual is in-home sales all through the computer. Nothing's different. You're just using a different method to get in front of the client. So, thank you.